10 apps that could save lives. Did you know that there are apps that could save your life? They might seem silly or frivolous, but these 10 apps could literally mean the difference between life and death. Keep watching to learn more about how to use these apps safely and effectively, as well as some other ways to stay safe in the modern world. Hey YouTubers, our loyal subscribers, Future Reality here. Like, subscribe and share for better contents. Also ensure to watch to the end. 1. Google Translate. One of Google's best kept secrets, Translate is a powerful tool that can be used for just about anything, from translating new recipes, to reading menus at local restaurants, to learning important phrases in another language. And now it even includes a function called Conversation Mode, which makes communicating with others much easier. 2. Reddit. This link-sharing site has a number of subreddits devoted to emergency and disaster situations. The survival subreddit, r/survival, is a great resource for emergency preparedness tips, while other subreddits cover topics like urban disasters and emergency management. 3. Yik Yak. Because it's anonymous, Yik Yak can be a very useful tool for people in crisis, but, of course, there are also dangers. The app allows users to post anonymous messages that their peers can vote up or down. 4. Plume Air Report. Want to keep tabs on local air quality? This app turns your smartphone into a personal air monitor, with real-time pollution reporting and alerts. 5. Pocket Weather Pakistan. This weather app gives real-time updates on current conditions and 5-day forecasts. It's much more than a run-of-the-mill radar tracker. It provides all sorts of useful information like UV levels, pollen counts, pollution ratings, and more. 6. Babysat Station Finder. Babysitters can be hard to find, so try out a babysitting app like Babysat Station Finder that'll help you find a reputable sitter in your area. It allows parents to vet babysitters based on reviews, qualifications and more. Even better, there's no cost to download and use. This one is 100% free. 7. The Ultimate Survival Tool. A flashlight app is an excellent backup if you ever get stranded without one. Smartphone flashlights tend to use LEDs that shine a brighter white light than flashlights, but not as bright as actual lights. 8. iHandy Leveler Pro. This free app can level anything from a picture to a tabletop. It could come in handy if you're setting up furniture or laying tiles, as well as when hanging pictures on walls or just making sure your TV stand is level. 9. Fairfarm Rune Applications. To make sure you're not walking or driving into danger, you can use apps to notify a friend or family member of your location. With just a few taps, they can see where you are and how long it will take you to get home, and if anything's wrong, they can call authorities for help. Here are 5 great apps for doing just that. 10. Crypto Mobile Wallet. A crypto wallet is a secure digital wallet used to store, send, and receive digital currency like Bitcoin.
A crypto wallet can also be used to store other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and Litecoin.
Thanks for sticking with us till the end. We promise to give amazing contents and ways to make money as we progress. Stay optimistic because the future holds more. Best regards, Future Reality.